Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher. Today we're on our newest listing, a 2022 Sea Ray 280 SLX. Starting off at the back of the boat here, nice big swim platform with deployable platform underneath. Nice walk-through transom here to the starboard side. Big lounger over here to the port and starboard side. Plenty of seating. Your co-captain seat with bolster. Head, vacuum flush toilet. Alright, the helm here. This one has rated 194 hours on the Mercury 6.2 liter, 350 horse motor. Walking up to the bow, nice big area for seating up front here. You can see I got my blue lights on right now, my blue accent lights. Stereo upgrade, so nice speakers, fusion components, windlass anchor. So once again, Captain Ben Beecher here, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this 2022 Sea Ray 280 SLX. Thanks, have a great day.